Are you ready to see fast and efficient meal prep in action? Today's video is going to be so much fun. You get to actually see my son, Michael. He's 7 years old. He's going to help me batch the school lunches. That's what we've been talking about in videos 1 and 2 is batching and layering. So today you get to actually see that in action. You will see every step that he takes in the process. So if you haven't already, smash like, subscribe, and share this with another mom that you know is wanting to eat healthier with her family, and let's get started. All right, so let's get going on showing you what batching looks like. We've got my little 7-year-old Michael here. He's all ready to go. He started the 4 days worth of lunches for he and his brother with these hidden veggie muffins. Then he went on to the whole foods, the fruit. What's really cool about this approach of doing both whole foods in regards to fruit and vegetables as well as hidden veggie is, look, you can see it's increasing his amount of vegetables, fiber, nutrients that he's eating, because now he's got his muffin, apples, and now the carrots, as you can see, are in there. And these are so simple. He took these out of the fridge himself. Now the sandwiches I had to help a little bit with because you can see they're cut really small on purpose. Portion size is key. This has got a protein inside. This is a roast beef and cheese sandwich. That's what works for our family. Then we went ahead and added some gluten-free, cheesy, Rice crisp kind of crackers, and that way everything is healthy for the gut. Super small fun portions for them to munch on. And then as you can see, he's got them all lined up for himself and his brother. There's 8 boxes, so that's 4 days worth of lunches for the 2 boys, and then they are ready to go. And what's really cool is I packed 1 in the lunch bag, and then I put the other 6 right here in the fridge, so you can see how easy it is to stack them. And for the next 3 days, I'm literally going to pull them out of the fridge. I hope this is helpful for you. See you soon.